was your test? Good morning, everyone. Sunday morning. Okay, who wants to get unmuted? Neerav Doshi. Just raise your hand, Neerav, beta. Raise your hand. Test was easy, right? 45. Very easy. Ah, okay. Yes. Yes, Neerav. Tell me.
Ma'am, I had a doubt from the previous lecture.
Please louder. Can you be a little louder? Very good. All of you are getting, mostly you're getting above 40. I like it. I'm happy. Bolo.
Ma'am, in the last lecture you said that tissues are the definition of tissues, that it is a group of cells with same structure, function and location and origin.
बेटा
Ma'am,
आप पहले वो तेजी से बोलो, आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा. Louder.
Ma'am, I'm sending you in a chat.
Please send in the chat. That will be good. Swapnil Mohammed, you have doubt? Any doubt? One second. Let me unmute you, Swapnil. Oh, most of you are getting 45. Yes, Swapnil, please tell me.
Ma'am,
Hello?
actually, I had a doubt, ma'am, that the types of like tracheids, vessels, and all that, they are tissues or they are just a group of cells?
They are cells. They are different type of cells. Remember, our definition of complex permanent tissue was it is a kind of tissue which has more than one kind of cells. Okay? So these are different kind of cells who come together to perform similar function.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
So tracheids are just functioning independently and they have not yet formed.
No, they are functioning in team.
Okay,
They are
but
functioning.
they have not
They
formed
are,
a tissue.
sorry?
Ma'am, so they are functioning similarly, but they have not formed a tissue.
No, so lot of tracheids come together, lot of similar tracheids come together, they form a kind of tissue, and then this tissue along with the tissue of the vessels, lot of vessels come together. Okay, vessel cells or the vessel elements, they come together, they form a vessel tissue. So vessel tissue and tracheid tissue, they come together further, okay, and they form the xylem. ऐसा होता है.
Okay, ma'am. So xylem has many tissues and all these tissues form another complex tissue, that is xylem.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Same doubt, huh? दिस थोड़ा सा कम, दिस डेफिनेशन से थोड़ा एक्सेप्शन है. Please make the chat private. Oh, it was not private. Okay, chalo. Okay. So today I'm going to just quickly, I'll just show you. Today I'm going to start with the animal tissues. Okay. So very quickly, I'll just take an overview, a very quick recap of xylem and phloem, which we did. Complex permanent tissue. So ये तो हमने tissue की history, Wichat and histology, then division of labor, then definition of tissue, plant tissue and animal tissue and differences, classification of plant tissue, meristematic and permanent, then plant tissue and animal tissue, then meristematic tissue in detail, okay, then permanent tissues, simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. Now simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissues, okay. ठीक है, ये इसका डिटेल है. पैरेन्काइमा, then collenchyma, then sclerenchyma, their comparison. Fine. And then we did complex permanent tissues. They are made up of xylem and phloem. They are basically called as conducting tissues because they conduct. Rapid fire we will do later on if we have time. And we will do rapid fire only for 5 minutes we are going to do now. 5 to 10 minutes, okay? Then the xylem, we looked at the structure of that xylem and the function of xylem, that it conducts water only in one direction, water and mineral salt, and food in both the directions. So there's a comparative sort of a diagram over here. Then elements or the cells which are also called an elements in the case of xylem and in the case of phloem. There are 4 elements in xylem and 4 elements in phloem. Xylem, mostly they are all dead except for one. So xylem provides mechanical support also. And phloem, they are all living except for one. Phloem, sclerenchyma is dead, rest all are living. Okay. Then structure of xylem in detail. So these are different cells, vessels, tracheids and fibers. These are all cells. So ऐसे बहुत सारे cells मिलके particular tissue बना देते हैं, बहुत सारे ऐसे tissue मिलके one complex tissue बनाते हैं xylem. Okay. Then as you can see lot of tracheids over here. Swapnil, somebody asked a question. Na? So a lot of tracheids over here, they've come together to form a tissue over here. And these are vessels attached to them. Okay, see, this is a tracheid ka tissue kind of a thing. So they come together. Beach mein vessel hai, idhar udhar tracheid hai sara. Here also you can see the vessels are in the center and tracheids, the smaller diameter ka jo tubes hai, these are tracheids. Then phloem we studied, they have sieve tubes, and then companion cells, phloem sclerenchyma, phloem parenchyma, and then the tissue system, which was given by a scientist called Sachs. Okay, epidermal tissue system, ground tissue system, and the vascular tissue system. Epidermal was the outermost. I'll look at that. Epidermal outermost, ground middle ka, beach ka, central, cylinder, vascular bundles. Okay, so can you all see the screen? Can you all see the screen? Somebody is saying they can't see the screen. Hello, can you all see the screen? Please say yes in the chat, bacha. Yeah. Yeah, all of you can see the screen. Yes, beta Manasvi, there's some problem in your system. Everyone can see the screen, bacha. फिर से reconnect करके देखो जो भी है. Okay. Then so with this, our tissue system was, our animal plant tissue was over. Fine. Now I will start with the animal tissues. Okay. Animal tissues. Bhai, as the name suggests, these are the tissues which are present. We have studied plants long enough now. These are the tissues which are present in animals. Okay. Now, animal tissues. Fine. So they're divided into broad 4 categories. One is the epithelial tissue. One is the connective tissue. One is the muscular tissue. And one is the nervous tissue. 4 types of categories we have in this. Fine. The 4th one is the nervous tissue. Okay. Epithelial is the outermost majorly. वो epithelial हम सबसे पहले आज डिटेल में epithelial पढ़ेंगे. फिर connective tissue, as the name suggests, it has done something to do with connections. And muscle tissue, as the name suggests, they comprise of muscle cells. Okay. And nervous tissue, they comprise of nerve cells. And connective is further divided into these. These we'll study in detail later on. Fine. So first of all, you all take the screenshot. Huh? Mohak Gujar, you can see welcome slide only? No. So what I'm going to do, can you all see this? Have you all taken, if you have taken the screenshot, put a T. Put a T. Hurry up and put a T. Yes. Henceforth, abhi aage se I will give you time to take the screenshot because many times children don't take, they forget. they start writing and then वो पहले वाली slide, ma'am give me PPTs and all those things happen, so it will avoid this kind of a situation. So okay, so Nikhil, so I have explained you epithelial tissue के ये types हैं जो हम detail पे पढ़ेंगे. Connective tissue, as the name suggests, something to do with connection. Muscle tissues have muscle cells and nerve tissues have nerve cells. Okay. So children, we are not going, Abhi, if you focus on rapid fire, then it's not fair. Please focus on learning also. Only 5 minutes I'm going to devote on rapid fire. Okay. And it all depends if I'm able to finish the content that day, or else I'll take it in the next class. Okay. So please focus on learning, not on the game part of it. Please. Anna, focus here. Very good, Pranay. So children, have you all taken the? So have you all taken the? Now who's Nikhil? What's your doubt, beta? Nikhil, raise your hand, or you write your doubt in the chat. Nikhil. So till now I have explained this slide. Is it crystal clear? Say CC. This lymph and everything I'm going to explain you. Today we'll focus only on epithelial tissues. Today focus on these you will learn. I will tell you separately. I'm going to take everything. So today we are going to focus on epithelial tissue. Okay. Somebody was okay. Fine. So shall I move to the further next slide? If you want me to move, say M for move. That's also part of game only. Quickly, fast, M. Jaldi likho. Okay. Good. Fine. No doubts, looks like. Okay. So I'll move to the next slide. So today we are going to study about epithelial tissue in detail. So as you can see in the diagram over here, epithelial tissue, first of all, ये क्या है? ये outer covering बनाता है, and it protects other tissues and organs. It is basically protective in nature. Now ये कैसे दिखते हैं, कैसे होते हैं epithelial tissue? They are tightly packed. They don't have intercellular spaces. No intercellular spaces. आप इधर देख रहे हो? कोई space दिख रहा है? No na? There's no space na? Yeah. Children, can you all see the screen? Tell me. Who's saying no? Supriya Mishra, you can't see the screen. Anyone else who cannot see the screen? Ma'am, there's one connection error, so you can please tell what you have taught till now. Okay. So Abhi, I have just started. I just did the recap. What is S, Rudra? I don't understand. One second. Yeah. Everyone can see the screen. One child cannot see the screen. Bas. 1 second, I'll share the screen again. Stop share. 1 second, I'll share the screen again. Now yeah, you can rejoin whoever. Everyone can see the screen better. If you cannot see the screen, you can rejoin. Rest all can see the screen, okay? Okay. So as you can see here, they fit like, they're tightly packed, no intercellular spaces, and they have a base, they always have a basement membrane, which is ये आपको यहाँ देख रहे हो, एक basement membrane पे stick हो जाते हैं, okay? एक basement membrane पे वो stick हो जाते हैं, which is a non-cellular basement membrane which is present below these tissues. अच्छा, ये दो टाइप में होते हैं, या तो वो दे आर सिंगल लेयर्ड लाइक दिस, दे आर मेड अप ऑफ सिंगल लेयर. जैसे हमारे घरों में टाइल लगाते हैं तो कैसे लगाते हैं, वन लेयर, ऐसे एक के बाद एक के, वन लेयर. And many of them have many layers. There's another type which have layers. So this classification is on the basis of layers. Okay. So one is called stratified epithelium. Stratified means many layers. Stratified epithelium means many layers. And this is a single layer. Okay. Yes, basement membrane is just a protein sheet. It is just a protein sheet. Okay, and these are stuck on that. Stratified, stratified, it is stratified, yes. So what do you think, what are you saying? Don't, please children, don't mind that I and E that I told you in previous class also. One I or E here and there, because in typing errors aa jata hai sometimes. Okay, so stratified is these are stratified, many layers and single layer. ठीक है. नॉन सेलुलर मीन्स कोई सेल नहीं है उसमें. बेसमेंट मेम्ब्रेन इज नॉन सेलुलर, नो सेल्स, ओनली अ शीट ऑफ प्रोटीन इज देयर. ओके, सो यू हैव टेकन द स्क्रीनशॉट. से टी फास्ट, सारे लोग टी डालो फास्ट. कॉन्सेप्ट आफ्टर टी, आई वॉन्ट ऑल द टीज ना. कॉन्सेप्ट बताओ क्रिस्टल क्लियर. सीसी, if it is clear, CC. And if it is a D, please ask the doubt. Please type the doubt. Ma'am, all nourishment is provided. Bitter nourishment, diffusion can takes place through this basement membrane, but there are no cells. This is non-cellular. Yes, it is basically made up of structural protein, and collagen is also. Okay, thank you, Smack. Crystal clear, super duper crystal clear, Divyam Pathak. Good, I'm happy, Divyam Pathak. Ashish Tripathi, what's your doubt, beta? Please ask me your doubt. Please ask the doubt. What is apical and lateral surface? Okay, apical matlab top surface, top. Lateral means sideways. जैसे इसको कट ओपन करा है तो ऊपर का एपिकल बोलते हैं, नीचे का लेटरल. ओके, so most of the things are clear now, crystal clear, all of you are saying. Now shall I move M? Put M there. One question. Why it is known as non-cellular? Because it has no cells, no nucleus, no cells. हालांकि कुछ diagrams में दिखा देते हैं nucleus, but it is no cells. It is just a sheet of protein. But don't focus on basement membrane that much. Focus more on the cells, epithelial cells or the tissue. Function of the basement membrane is to keep it in one place. They stick to the basement membrane. Okay, so I am moving now. This is a slide just to show simple and stratified, simple and stratified, simple and stratified. Simple squamous, stratified squamous, simple cuboidal, stratified cuboidal, simple, this is what, simple columnar, stratified columnar. And these are pseudo columnar, whereas the cell ka shape thoda alag alag hota hai. Okay, pseudo stratified we call it. Transitional means that they're changing. So we are not focusing much on this. Please pay attention. This slide is to give the concept of simple and stratified. Strati means stratus matlab layer. So take the snapshot, take the screenshot. Please hurry up and put a T. I'm waiting. Screenshots and T. Good. ठीक है. Ma'am, the layers are added vertically. Yes, they added one on top of the other. Okay. Who's this? So many T's. You don't have to. Soham. Who's this? No, this is what? Soham Vasani. You don't have to give so many T's. One is enough. है ना? चलो. So you have taken. So whatever I explained you, ज़्यादा concept नहीं है, बस picture दिखानी है कि stratified कैसा दिखता है. It's simple. So I'll move ahead. Yes, please, Vrishant. Your doubt, please. Hurry up. Write your doubt, बच्चा. लिखो Vrishant. Swapnil Bhamak, please write. Don't say doubt. If it's crystal clear, write CC. If there's a doubt. What is the difference between pseudo-stratified and columnar? अच्छा, pseudo-stratified में आप ये cells देख रहे हो, एक cell नीचे thick हो रहा है, आगे thin हो रहा है. Irregular shape of cells is there. And columnar में सारे cells जो हैं, they are kind of similar shape. Okay, so that is the difference. Shrishang, I'm not going to repeat now what is basal membrane. I'm not going to. I have just explained you so many times. Acha, you write down. Write down one thing in your notes and pen. Basement membrane dash. Write it down. Take the note. Are you all writing? Basement membrane dash. It is a sheet of protein. It is a sheet of protein which is non-cellular, and it supports the epithelial tissue. It supports the epithelial tissue. Done? Noted? Second point in this, it separates the underlying tissue, and organs. Separates the underlying tissue and organs from the epithelial tissue. Pseudo means false. Stratification, that columnar shape is false in this case. Columnar matlab tall shape is false. Understood? Vrishank, what do you want to ask? So I just told you, somebody, can you write it on the chat? Can you write whatever I dictated just now? Can you write on the chat? Someone please put it on the chat. It separates, second point in this is separates the underlying tissue and organs from the epithelial tissues. It is a sheet of protein which is non-cellular and supports the epithelial tissue. Very good, Sanskriti. Please, all of you, you can copy it down from here. Rishank, I don't know. See, I'm repeating everything. They don't have cells, beta. And why are you also stuck on basement membrane? Come on. We have to focus on cells, tissues. Enough importance given to this. Now I'm moving ahead. Ma'am, any simple stratified tissue? Yes, we will be doing everything now. ठीक है, चलो now. I'm moving ahead. Shall I move? Put M. Put M. Hurry up, more M's I want. Good. So although sometimes, while writing the note, miss out on something that you can recover while listening to the recording. While dictating, I will repeat anything 2 times. Okay? And I'll ask somebody to write on the chat as well. Okay? So now I'll move to the another next slide. Because this chapter is quite long, we have to cover a lot also. Now, types of epithelial tissue. Look at this slide. First of all, screenshots please, and T's in the chat please. Yes. Sorry. चलो जल्दी डालो. टी मुझे चाहिए इस पे. I'm waiting. I'll explain you everything, don't worry. First you take the screenshots. Otherwise children miss out. Sometimes they start understand. Beta, we don't focus on any other thing idhar udhar ka. Pehle jo main padha rahi hu, let's focus on that. We will talk about everything. So, have you all taken the picture? Okay. So I'll explain you now. So type of epithelial tissues, as you can see, squamous, cuboidal, columnar, glandular, ciliated, and brush border. Now इन्होंने ये diagram में थोड़ा सा idea देने के लिए बताया है. It's not complete idea, but little bit idea you'll get. Now in this diagram, in this human being, so simple squamous epithelium. Simple मतलब one layer का. यहाँ पर as you can see, it is found in the air sacs of the lungs or the alveoli of the lungs. Okay. And then simple cuboidal epithelium is found in the kidneys. Okay, this is kidney ka portion उन्होंने दिखाया है. Kidney tubule is made up of this. Then columnar are found in the intestines. Okay, as you can see, intestines. Then stratified epithelium is found in the esophagus. एक esophagus में दिखाया है. And then your pseudo-stratified ciliated epithelium in the respiratory tract, in the trachea. So this is kind of, yes, it has, epithelial cells have nucleus. Stomach, yeah. So, so we will go in the detail of all the things. Brush border, I will explain you everything. So till now, have you taken the screenshot now? Is it clear what I explained you? Clear? So what do you write? What do you write when it is clear? Ma'am, your voice is breaking. Is my voice breaking? Yeah, a little bit it breaks, so I'll repeat again. Okay, no. So, crystal clear now? Yeah, voice is clear. What is it? Ma'am, explain. I've explained better. Ma'am, skin is also epithelial. Yes, it is. Naman. We are going to do in detail in the aage ka. So shall I move? Shall I move further? What do you say when we need to move? M. Fast. डालो सारे लोग M डालो इसके अंदर. Put M's over there. So that I come to know. This I come to know. This is how I come to know. ठीक है. So here we go. Next slide of simple squamous epithelium. Now, first of all, take the screenshot. Finish with doing the screenshot. And what do you do? After you take the screenshot, put a T. Good. All of you put a T. I'm waiting. Good, good, good. Swapnil Bhaumik, you have a doubt, please write your doubt. Please write your doubt, bacha, so that I can answer your doubt over there. Or you know what, I'll try and unmute you till then. Yes, Swapnil?
Ma'am, stratified and simple epithelium, they are the types, or the squamous and cuboidal, they are the types?
See, squamous and all these, 6 I told you, squamous, cuboidal, they are the different
Yes,
types. This is one type based on the shape of the cells. Okay. And simple and stratified, they are classified based on the layers which are present. Hana? Simple and squamous are present in different types of epithelium. So different types of epithelium are squamous, cuboidal, columnar, and all these. Okay.
Ma'am, so we can
That's
say
an
that if
arrangement.
we classify epithelium tissue as layers, then it will be simple and stratified on the basis of
Yes,
layers.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
And most 3 of them at least have both the kinds, simple and column stratified. Okay. Okay. So have you all taken the screenshot? Okay. So I'll start with the alveoli are the air sacs which are present in the lungs. Now here, simple squamous epithelium, as you can see in the diagram over here, they fit like they are very flat cells, flat होते हैं, thin होते हैं, fit together like tiles. बहुत simple है, very simple to understand, like the tiles we have in a house. Okay. And where they are found? They are found in the lining of the mouth, internal mouth जो होता है, cheeks and all those places. They are also found in esophagus. They are found in alveoli. Alveoli are the air sacs present in the lungs. They are found in blood vessels. They are found in the covering of skin. Not all the outer covering, but inner covering of the skin they are found. Okay. And their function is very simple. The function is to protect underlying parts from the mechanical injury. Very simple. भाई ऊपर से cover करता है तो अंदर protect ही करेगा. Or since they don't have any intercellular spaces, can you see any intercellular spaces over here? No. So unless it is cut open, no germs can enter inside it. Okay. And no germs can enter inside it. Oops, sorry. Fine. What is no, Nikhil? I don't know. Understand what you're saying, ma'am. Does squamous cuboidal all have type? No, 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 not transitional. Understood now? This slide आपको समझा? Kshitij, please tell me your doubts. If you've understood, say CC. Lining. Lining मतलब outer lining जो होती है, मतलब आउटर स्किन जैसे माउथ का जो होता है, आप टंग से छुओगे, चीक का लाइनिंग अंदर से, किसी चीज की भी लाइनिंग हो सकती है. What do you mean by esophagus? Esophagus is the food pipe which you have. Fine, it is a food pipe. Now, here the lining is inner lining. This is here the lining is the lining of the mouth जो आप टंग से छू सकते हो ना, that lining. Ma'am, is there a particular reason for irregular shape? It is basically, it's not very irregular. It is kind of similar. The shapes are kind of similar. Fitting, बहुत है. There's no particular reason. Okay. So shall we move? Hurry up, fast, 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 fast. M, I want M. See, I want to see all the M's in the chat. Okay, very good. Okay. Stop. Anyone who has a doubt? What is alveoli? Alveoli is the lungs, air sac I told you in the lungs. Okay, no doubt. So I'll move on to the next slide. Now stratified squamous. Stratified I've already explained you. Stratified means many layers. अभी squamous epithelium का stratified version देखो, बहुत सारे layers add हो गए. Now they are found in an external dry surface of your skin. Now if you abhi aap kya karo, you are not in the physical classroom, otherwise I would have asked you to raise one of your palms and touch your cheeks outside, touch your face. Will you do it here also? You touch your face, touch your arms, hands, everything. All these parts, they are made up of stratified squamous epithelium. They are made up of stratified squamous epithelium. So they are found in external dry surface of skins. See, mouth ke andar it is a liquid surface, so that simple squamous was present. Okay, in the mouth, inside the mouth. But outside, on the cheek, on the face, chin, neck, everywhere, the outer covering is made up of this stratified squamous. It protects the from the mechanical injury, and it prevents the drying of underlying structures. It does not, and there is little difference in the lips, but rest of the things are made up of stratified squamous epithelium. And ऊपर का layers में ना the cells get keratinized and dies. उसका keratinize मतलब, what is the meaning of keratinize? Keratinize means the cytoplasm changes into protein called keratin, and then cells become dead, because cells, finally outer, see, as you can see in the diagram also over here, this outermost covering doesn't have any nucleus. The cytoplasm and nucleus, everything gets filled with keratin. It's a kind of protein, and it is kind of little rigid, थोड़ा सा rough होता है, and these cells finally, they are shed off. ये सारे cells निकल जाते हैं. Beta, it is the phenomena which is internally programmed. Okay, Kshitij. So this is the outermost covering, and then keratin does not allow the evaporation from here. A lot of liquid is not sent outside. And there's some oil glands. Somebody asked me, how do we get oil? तो हमारे glands होते हैं बीच में. They are glands. It gives out oil to cover this, to make it supple. Okay. So have you all taken tea? Sebaceous glands. Good. टी हो गया, सबका टी हो गया. अभी whatever I explained is clear to you. It's not difficult, है ना? Squamous are flattened. Yes, they become flat only, and squamous are flat only. Otherwise also they are flat tile-like. They are flat cells. Let's move now. Vrishank, you can find out the answer. We are not going there now. Cuboidal. Cuboidal, as you know, so they are like cuboid. Moksh Patel, does it remind you of something? Rubik cubes? Okay. So these are simple cuboidal epithelium. Cells are all cube shaped. They're like cuboid basically. Now where they are found in kidney tubules, ducts of secretory glands and epithelium of ovary. And they function, इनको absorption भी करना आता है. ओके, क्यूबॉइड को ऐसे सेल्स को absorption भी आता है, एक्सक्रीशन भी ये कर सकते हैं, सिक्रीशन भी कर सकते हैं, एंड मैकेनिकल सपोर्ट आल्सो. So they are mechanical support also they can provide. Fine. There was a question from keratinized. Since such a long time I'm explaining you keratinized ka matlab. I have explained this beta, Manasvi. Please pay attention. If I'm explaining, I can't repeat anything again and again. Keratinized. You write it down as a note. First of all, keratinized. You write down keratinized dash cells which lose cytoplasm and become dead. Cells when lose cytoplasm and become dead. And another point, and when they get keratin protein, lose cytoplasm and become dead, you put a point, to get keratin protein, that phenomena is known as keratinized. Have you all written? Noted down. Phenomena is known as keratinized. If you have noted down, write N. N for noted. Swapnil, I'm not going to repeat again, bacha. Can someone put it on the chat? The difference between secretion and excretion. Secretion is when you are producing any liquid or the fluid. Excretion is when you are getting rid of the waste of the body. Yes, very good. I'll just make it open. I'll make the chat open. Now, Sanskriti Raut, can you again resend it? Yes, very good. Please, all those who want to note it down, you can read this. Keratinized cells when lose cytoplasm and become dead to get keratin protein. That phenomena is known as keratinized. Okay. So absorption, इनका function थोड़ा different हो जाता है. Protection के अलावा absorption भी करना जानते हैं. थोड़े और smart हो गए ये. Excretion भी, they can excrete waste also. Secretion भी इनको आता है, and mechanical support obviously. So is it clear now? If it is clear, say CC. Fast. Quickly. Now, shall I move? If you want me to move, say M. M, all of you say M. Okay, fast. Okay, good. I got the green signal from you. So, next. Okay. Now, columnar, as the name suggests, a different kind of epithelium. Columnar मतलब column क्या होता है? Column होता है लंबा tall structure. Okay, so that is columnar. Okay, long tall structure. So these are long, they are elongated, they are not wide. Okay, and nucleus is present towards the base. Mostly it is towards the base. And you know what, in these kind of cells, जो basement membrane से cell attached होता है, जो border उसको बोलते हैं, it is not the free border, but this side is known as a free end of these cells, which is not attached to the basement membrane. And they are majorly, their function is absorption. इनका भी function absorption and secretion होता है. And they are majorly found in the lining of digestive tract, gallbladder, and various glands. And we have to see few modifications are also there of this columnar epithelium. कुछ modifications भी होते हैं. How are these cells glued together? Because there are connective tissues also. So have you taken the snap screenshot? Take the screenshot. Take it and put a T. I'm waiting. T डालते जाइए आप लोग. Very good. Very good. Okay, fine. And whatever I explained, is it clear? Okay, good. Shall I move now to further? And what do you do when we move? Very good. You all know it all. You all know it all. Okay, so I'll move on to the next slide. बेटा गॉल ब्लैडर का पिक्चर में इसमें नहीं, आप अलग से इसको गूगल करके गॉल ब्लैडर का पिक्चर देखिएगा, इस पे स्लाइड में नहीं है. So columnar, we did columnar, we know it very well, it is tall, and there are some modifications also of columnar in digestive tract. Now brush border epithelium, इसका नाम क्या है? ब्रश बॉर्डर एपिथेलियम, मतलब वो एपिथेलियम जिसका बॉर्डर ब्रश जैसा हो. Okay, now where they are found? They are found inside the, you have studied about villi and microvilli in the intestines. They are finger-like projections. So here, you know, these epithelium, basically they are columnar epitheliums. कॉलमनर एपिथेलियम, उसका जो फ्री एंड है वो ऐसे ब्रश बॉर्डर के रूप में मॉडिफाई हो जाता है. लाइक हियर इन दिस डायग्राम यू कैन सी, हियर इन दिस it gets changed into these finger like projections known as microvilli or villi also you can say. Okay, this is the free end of the epithelium. Don't focus on the submucosa, mucosa, these are layer of the muscles, inside muscles. Just focus on this border which is like brush. Brush क्यों बोलते हैं? जैसे brushes के ऊपर, yes, to increase the surface area. It happens to increase the surface area of absorption. Okay, brush के ऊपर bristles लगे रहते हैं. The kind of bristles they are there. The toothbrush also has bristles, and your hairbrush also has bristles. Those, you know, jutting out things which brush your hair and clean your tooth. Similarly, these jutting finger-like projections are there. So these epithelium are known as brush border epithelium. Okay, and they increase the surface area of absorption. Ma'am, what type of epithelium is villi? It is brush border epithelium made up of columnar epithelium. Actually, this is the modification of columnar epithelium. You write it down somewhere, point. Brush border epithelium dash modification of columnar epithelium. Yes, Veer, what's your doubt? Yes, nuclei is present towards the end. Yes, brush border and villi are same. Villi and microvilli are even smaller. Many times villi के ऊपर भी छोटे छोटे होते हैं, microvilli उनको बोलते हैं. But you can consider as same as of now. The concept you have to understand. No, it is different from ciliated because these villi, yes, Navya, it is different because villi can absorb, but cilia cannot absorb. We'll have ciliated epithelium also. They are different. Ciliated epithelium cannot absorb, but villi can absorb because इसके अंदर ये ना vessels दिए हैं. These lacteal vessels are given and blood vessels are given, so they can absorb. As you can see in the diagram, you can see these lacteal vessels over here. I don't know, it's not. I mean, our lacteal vessels are not shown there. Veins are there, arteries and veins. Veins and arteries, they can absorb the nutrients. Yes, and ciliated are there for moving only. Serosa and submucosa, these are lining of the muscles, underlying muscles. So we'll not focus on those muscular lining. Yes, you can consider villi and microvilli as the same parts. And where are they found? They're found in intestines. So first of all, have you all taken the snapshot? Please take the screenshot. All of you have not taken screenshot, please take it and put a T. I want all the T's to be there. Let me switch on my AC because it's become very hot in my house. Good. Whatever I explained, is it clear? Crystal clear? So what do you have to put on the chat? Very good. And if there's a doubt, you can say D and you ask your doubt. So I see a D, meet this one more child who's a Soham, and there's one child, Pranav or somebody, Pavan. Beta, what's your name from Kalyan? I don't understand your name. So put your doubts over there. Ryan. Okay. Make it clear, na? Put your doubts. Vrishanga said TMCC. Okay, put your doubts in the chat so that I can answer. Kshitij, all these people, please write your doubts. Hurry up and write your doubts, or you raise your hands, I'll unmute you also. Kshitij, ma'am, so columnar epithelium is attached to only basal membrane. Yes, all of them are attached to basal membrane. All of them. One side is attached to basal membrane, other side is the free side, which can modify. Ma'am, please repeat what you said after brush border epithelium. I don't remember. You can, when you watch the recording, you can figure that out. Please repeat what is, okay. Ma'am, does brush border really a border epithelium? Border epithelium? Ashish, I don't understand your question, Rupesh. Now, what is mucosa? Mucosa, beta, mucosa is the layer of the muscle underneath. It is the layer of the muscle. Brush border enzymes. No, there are no enzymes for that. ब्रश बॉर्डर they absorb food. ये आपके इंटेस्टाइन के अंदर क्या जाता है? फूड मटेरियल जाता है. सो फूड मटेरियल को क्या होता है? एब्जॉर्ब करना होता है, न्यूट्रिएंट्स को एब्जॉर्ब करना होता है. ओके, सो दे एब्जॉर्ब. Rupesh, how does this epithelium work? It absorbs. As you can see in this epithelium, as you can see under these brush border, can you see these veins and arteries are there? So the food material जो इसके अंदर जा रहा है, look at the cursor. So here food material which is flowing inside the intestines in this passage get absorbed. All the nutrients get absorbed and they go in the veins and arteries. In the arteries, okay? They get absorbed through the lining over here. You'll have to understand digestive system. Come on. Now I have explained you long enough this concept. Okay. So rest, all of you, have you understood? Lacteals, they absorb the oil droplets. Lacteal is not marked in this diagram. Lacteal vessels are also there inside these. It is not marked. They absorb the oil droplets. So is it a CC? Is aminopeptidase a brush border enzyme? No. Enzyme यहाँ brush border का कोई enzyme नहीं होता. It is just an enzyme which comes out from the glandular epithelium. Okay, move. Please, all of you, shall I move now? I'll move. Okay. Now next type of. So first of all, you take the screenshot and put a T in chat. I'm waiting. Done? Okay. अभी डाउट कहाँ से आ गया? अभी मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन भी नहीं किया. ईशान. Okay. Good. Now I'll move. 1 second. No, these are not cuboidal. Majorly they are. 1 second. Glandular cells. These are columnar epithelial cells. Many times they are looking cuboidal, but they are columnar in this diagram. So ये सारे columnar है, light pink color के. All these are columnar, huh? And they get modified to secrete. These dark purple colored, they have become secretory units. They have acquired the capacity of secretion. Hence they are called as glandular epithelium. They secrete hormones and enzymes. Okay. इनका main function is secretion and production of hormones and enzymes. हाँ, तो अगर सारा प्रोडक्शन है हॉर्मोन्स और एंजाइम्स, तो फिर ये कहाँ मिलेंगे आपको? ग्लैंड्स में मिलेंगे, एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स में मिलेंगे, सलाइवरी ग्लैंड्स में मिलेंगे, डाइजेस्टिव ग्लैंड्स में मिलेंगे. Like for example, salivary gland, it is a digestive gland. Pancreas, it is also a digestive gland. It is both actually. It is endocrine gland also and exocrine gland, both. Digestive gland, it produces enzymes also, hormones also. And then rest of all the endocrine glands, जो हमारे adrenal है, pineal gland है, they are all present over here. So these glandular epithelium is present over there. Okay. So now the questions. What type of tissue supports epithelium? What type of tissue supports that? Basal membrane supports the epithelium cells. They are stuck to that sheet of protein. Okay. But sometimes our voice, if it breaks, I cannot do anything about it, Manasvi, because वो internet का problem होता है. We cannot do anything about it, but I hope it's clear. For most of you all, it's clear, na? Okay. So what I explained you, is it clear now? Samjha? Explain the concept of duct. So, duct मतलब ये passage है. See, whenever epithelium ऐसे जाके अंदर घुस के ऐसे ये टाइप का टेनिस रैकेट शेप स्ट्रक्चर बनाता है. इनफैक्ट अभी पुराने क्लास में somebody was saying कि मैम it is reminding me of oxysomes. So I said okay, yeah, you could relate. So ये यहाँ से secretion होना start, these gray sort of Small things you can see, small particles. This is all secretion. It is coming out. And this secretion has to have a passage to go out. This passage is known as duct. Okay? फिर ये बाहर आता है ऐसे. So glandular epithelium are like this. Fine. Glandular is which covers the glands. Glandular epithelium tissue which covers the glands, which is present inside the gland, not covers. These are present inside the gland because they have to secrete only. They have to secrete. Okay. And then name a few glands where they are present. All the endocrine glands, they have them. Salivary glands, they have them. Pancreas, they have them. Because for the simple reason, उनका काम ही है secrete करना. Okay. Yes, endocrine glands have these. Not all, पूरा totally endocrine नहीं होता है, पूरा totally glandular नहीं होता है. There are some other epithelium also, but these glandular epitheliums are in between present. Okay. So all those who've understood properly say CC. Oops. So last 5 minutes or so we will do. I'll ask you questions. Maybe we still have time. Okay. M. So I will move now. Now another type. Ciliated epithelium. This is not the free border. This is the free border of the columnar. Sometimes cuboidal का भी होता है and sometimes columnar भी. They get modified into ciliated epithelium. Okay, so these are columnar, pseudo columnar epithelium which are modified into ciliated epithelium. There's cilia, hair-like structures. Okay, and these cilia don't absorb anything. Huh? They are found in the lining of sperm duct, oviduct, trachea, bronchi, and kidney tubules. And their function is to move particles in one direction due to the rhythmic beating of the cilia. Got it? Due to the rhythmic beating of cilia. Now just take the screenshot. And I want to see the T's there. Hurry up and fast. Okay, I'll explain again, don't worry. Aditya, I don't have habit of going so much in detail of philosophical things. We cannot afford to, huh? Okay, I have a question for you in this. Why do you think it is present in oviduct, ciliated epithelium? Why do you think it is present in oviduct? To move the ovums, yes, to push the eggs. Okay. Similarly, it is present in the sperm duct. Just like झाड़ू लगाते हैं ना हम लोग, broom करते हैं ऐसे. We keep on brooming. They push the things. Keep on pushing. आगे जाता है तो आगे के cilia push करते हैं, फिर और push करते हैं, और आगे वाले push करते हैं, एक ही direction में push करते चले जाते हैं. Otherwise, you know what? Ovum can go back also. Okay, so they have to be there. These cilia do a lot of lot of important function it does. Okay. So I think somebody asked me to explain again. I'll just quickly explain. So in this kind of epithelium, some of the columnar cells and cuboidal cells, they develop cilia. They get modified and they develop cilia, which is hair-like, which are hair-like structures, and they're found in the lining of sperm duct, oviduct, trachea, bronchi, kidney tubule, and they move the particles in one direction. Which is the next? Let me see next slide. Okay, today we. Okay, समझा आपको? So with this, we have finished epithelial tissues. So we'll just quickly go and revisit what we have studied. Ma'am, in some cases, it happens a lack of ciliated. No, that is not the reason, beta, baby. Akansha, that's not the reason. You see, yes, they have. See in the picture also, can you see they have nucleus over here? Nucleus is present. Yes, so we have nucleus. So we will just revisit what we have done quickly and then I will put you on a rapid fire round. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा. Ciliated epithelium is not present in esophagus, no. Esophagus moves with the help of peristalsis. So पूरा 15 minutes तो हम नहीं करेंगे. We will see. Okay. पहले बताओ, how was, पहले let's start something. How was the TWT? Was it easy or difficult? Easy. Very easy, huh? Very good, very good. And what about the other subjects? What about the other subjects? They were also easy? Okay. You have got your results out? Okay. Who stood first? From which center? From which batch? I just want to know. Rank. Otherwise, I'll have to. You all don't know. I'll have to find out. Acha. I'll have to find out from the center. Om got 176. Okay. Rank loss did not come. It comes, but 158 moksha you've got. Okay. So some people are saying, let's start connective tissue. So what I'll do is I'll just explain. I'll start connective tissue thoda sa and then I'll do the rapid fire round. Okay? I'll just explain the introductory part. I'll explain and then. No, I am not going to explain you connective tissue. Otherwise you'll get confused. Because so many things. What do you write, Swapnil? I don't know. See, animal tissues, they are divided into 4 categories: epithelial, connective, muscular, and just I will do that quickly, and nerves. Okay. Epithelial are further divided into these: squamous, cuboidal, columnar, ciliate, and glandular, and few of them are not mentioned here, which we've discussed. Okay. Then epithelial tissues, we studied simple versus stratified. ओके, सिंपल क्या होता है? जिसमें एक लेयर होता है. स्ट्रैटिफाइड होता है जिसमें बहुत सारे लेयर्स होते हैं और उसके नीचे कोई चीज प्रेजेंट होती है, उसको हम बेसमेंट मेम्ब्रेन बोलते हैं. And they protect the other organs and tissues. They have no intercellular spaces. They are tightly packed. Then quickly, this is a slide to show. This is a slide to show the layers. Okay. Stratified, simple and stratified, simple and stratified, simple and stratified. Then The types, 6 types. These are the major types: squamous, cuboidal, columnar, glandular, ciliated, and brush border. Mostly because of their shapes, they are divided like this in these groups. Simple squamous, they are tile-like, flat, thin. Together, they fit together like tiles. Lining of mouth, esophagus, alveoli, blood vessels, outer covering of skin. Then function, they protect the underlying entry of germs. Then stratified जो है, external dry surface of skin is made up of stratified. Protects, the function is to protect underlying structures from injury and prevent drying also. And the outermost cells, they get keratinized. Then cuboidal, cube shaped, kidney tubules, ducts of secretory glands, and epithelium of ovary. Absorption, excretion, secretion, and mechanical support is their function. And next, columnar, they are column-like, tall. Okay, nucleus is present towards base, found in the organs of absorption and secretion, lining of digestive tracts and gallbladder and glands. Brush border, they are present in intestines and the outer free end develops into microvilli to increase the surface area. Glandular, in this columnar cells, they modify to secrete hormones and enzymes, and they're present in all the glands. They're present in all the glands. Ciliated, they have cilia. Columnar होंगे या तो cuboidal होंगे. Okay. Now somebody has Swapnil Bhaumik. You can ask those questions in the doubt, in that WhatsApp doubt. Okay. Tissue terminology. You can call, or you can, you know what? You can put it in that doubt group, or you can ask. You can send me also. Swapnil Bhaumik. No, there are no other types. Major are all covered. Then, okay. So now rapid fire round starts. Okay, and I'll call out the answers correct, first 3 answers. That's it. Fine. Now my first question is, what is the name of the membrane present under the epithelial tissue? Quickly. Stop. Stop. The moment I say stop, you stop. So the first one, Sanvi, you were writing, but पूरा नहीं आपने लिखा. Ishan Bhavsar, basal membrane. Brindamai, second. Kshitij, third. But you have to write the entire thing. Okay. So ये तो वैसे होगा जिसने वैसे, and the entire name, children who, all those who wrote were, Daksh was the first, second is Anushka, and third is Advay Thane. Okay. So now next. What is not present in epithelial tissue? Hurry up. What is not present? Yes, correct. Correct. I got the answer. Anushka Manchila. Intercellular spaces. Second is Manasvi. Second is Navya Bhatnagar. No, second is Advay. Stop, please stop. First was Anushka. Second was Advay. And third is Navya Bhatnagar. Fourth is Manasvi. What does epithelial tissue prevent from entering? Stop. Stop. Stop, stop, stop. Rupesh Tripathi first. Naman Kansara second. Himani Patil third. Answer was germs. Fourth is Anusha. Stop. Okay. Then next. Where in which epithelium tissue nuclei is present at the base? Quickly. Stop. Stop. Immediately stop. Aryan Dhamdire, first, columnar epithelium. Nikhil Borivali, second. Anusha, third. Fourth is Swapnil Bham. Himani, your answer is wrong. Moksh Patel, fourth. Okay. Okay. Then the epithelial tissue which is present in the lining of mouth, inside lining of mouth. Quickly. Stop. Stop. You have written squamous. Squamous is not correct. Yes, Moksh Patel. First, simple squamous. Second is Mehak Vatsani. And third is Anusha Manchala. Fourth is Sanvi Baraskar. Okay. Simple squamous is present. What name of the epithelial tissue which can absorb, secrete, and excrete? Stop. 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 So brush border, no. It cannot excrete, no. Ishan, no. Moksh Patel, correct. Cuboidal, correct. First Moksh Patel, second is Sara Kathuria, and third is Anusha Manchala. And rest all have stratified brush border. Why are you saying brush border? It can't excrete. And second is, and fourth is Vidhi. Jhalak Gala is also correct. Cuboidal. Okay. The epithelial tissue which is found in endocrine glands. Quickly. Hurry. Stop. First is Soham Vasani, glandular. Second is Dashk. Third is Ishan Bhavsar. Fourth is Ryan. Okay. It is glandular epithelium. The kind of epithelium found in the tubules of kidney. Quickly. Tubules of kidney. Stop. Stop. Actually, the question, the answer is 2. Actually, 1 second. There is the ciliated is also found, and the cuboidal is also found. Cuboidal is also found in kidney tubules. 1 second. So both the answers are correct. Ciliated and cuboidal, both are correct. 1 second. Let me see. There's Rishang has written ciliated cuboidal. Max, so who's 1 second? So this is kind of confusing. Okay. So I'll not give for that. I'll not call out. Cuboidal and they are both of them are correct. Which type of epithelium make the villi? Stop. Brush border epithelium make the villi. Correct. Brush border epithelium make the villi. Correct, 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 correct. Okay. Then, what kind of epithelial, wait 1 second. Epitheliums which have many layers are known as, quickly. Stop. Got the answers. First answer is Aryan Dhamdire first, Moksh Patel second, Sara Kathuria third, fourth Himani Patel, fifth Anushka. Okay. Then let me have a look at the epitheliums. Okay. What kind of epithelium are found on the top of our face and hands? Stop, 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 stop. The answer is stratified squamous. So first answer correct is Pranav. Squamous is not correct. It is stratified squamous. So first answer correct is Pranav Arora first, second Naman Kansara, and third Jhalak Gala, and fourth Moksh Patel, fifth Sanvi Baraskar. Okay. Now, what happens to the top layer of stratified squamous? What happens to the cells of top layer? Okay. Stop. First Moksh Patel, they become keratinized. First Moksh Patel, second Sara Kathuria, third Himani Patel, fourth is Ishan Bhavsar, and fifth is Aryan Dhamdire. They become keratinized or they die. So students, with this, I think I'll end the chapter. In the next class, we are going to start with connective tissue in detail. And your homework is to revise whatever I have done. So if at all I conduct a quiz, I will be asking questions from here also. Okay? From these also. Fine. So I think I'll end the session over here and we'll carry on. Take care. Bye bye. It was nice teaching all of you. Bye. Take care. Have a nice Sunday.